making bad. If you want to use NotebookLM to make article, how can you do? So, I will explain clearly today to make an article for NotebookLM. So, go ahead to your NotebookLM website on your computer first. So, this is your NotebookLM website, right? And go ahead to create new. Okay, so to create your notebook, you need to upload file from your computer first. So I'm gonna choose one of my files to create from computers. If I choose this one, and I'm gonna try to create article about it. So just insert your prompt, create an article, and send. After then, they're gonna finding the keywords and they will be able to find to as an article. And you can also produce suggestions and other prompts as you like. So you can ask NotebookLM to write a blog post or what kinds of content you want to include. You can detail by yourself. And you can also edit by yourself as you wish. So after that, you just need to copy your task and you can also insert on your preferred editors or publishing platform as you like. So that's how to create article on your NotebookLM, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you're the one who loves to create content. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you, bye.